friends. This is one of my all-time favorite ways to paint. It's a little bit messy, but it's a lot of fun, I promise. So as you can see, I have lots of different things here on my table. I have some dirt. I have 2 different colors of dirt. And guys, I found all of this right outside my classroom window. Like, it's so cool. I didn't even walk 10 steps and I found all this different stuff that I can paint with. I have 2 different colors of dirt here. Those right outside my classroom window. I have some berries. I have some, I think these are elderberries, but I have some ones that are dark purple, dark bluish, and I have some that haven't ripened yet and they're green. I have this white flower. I'm not sure what I could do with that, but I'm thinking about it. I have some little yellow dandelions. And I have some other kind of ragweed things. I have some red leaves and some green leaves, okay? Now, what I have done is I have this paint palette, but you can use little cups if you have them, or maybe even some, if you have a paint palette, you can use a paint palette or even paper plate. What you'll need to do is, if you can go grab a grown-up that you live with and pause the video, and walk outside and find all different, maybe take a bag with you, find all different kinds of things that are all kinds of really, really cool colors. And then come back to this video, okay? So ready, spaghetti, pause the video. All right, friends. So if you have paused the video and you are back, then you are ready to learn how to turn this stuff into paint. So I am gonna show you how to do that. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to grab some berries, okay? And I really, really hope you used a grown-up, like you took a grown-up with you. That way the grown-up could help you know if things are poisonous or not, right? Because sometimes things outside, we might not know it, but it could be poisonous and it could hurt us. So I know these elderberries aren't poisonous. So what I've done is I've taken 1 elderberry. And I have this pencil. You can use anything really. A spoon probably would work awesome. But what you're going to do is you're just going to smash whatever things that you got. So see how I smashed that berry and it gives off that really cool pigment, right? So I'm just going to smash, 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 smash. Now here's the deal. I've smashed this berry. Now the end of my smasher is red. So I need to put it in my water cup and get all that red pigment off, right? So then I add a little bit of water to this pigment, okay? And this is the same way that Native Americans would make paint way back when, right? So back when America was just being started, this is kind of the way that they would make paint. Just so cool, right? So there I kind of have this pinky color for my berry. Isn't that awesome? Now, I have this dirt here. This is kind of an orangey dirt. Now, I put in some dirt and then I put in some water. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to smash, smash, smash. And one of my friends I have lots of friends who are artists. And what she does is she is a painter, but she travels the country. And she collects dirt from all different states. And then she paints the state with the dirt that she collected from that state. Isn't that awesome? Now, sometimes when we try things, it doesn't really work out so hot or so well. So here I've taken some green leaves and I put them in this water and I tried to smoosh them, but the water didn't really turn green. So art is all about experimenting and seeing what we can do and what we can make. And sometimes experimenting means it doesn't work, right? And just like here with these yellow flowers, where I'm smashing, 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 it didn't really turn yellow either. Maybe I just needed to smash a little more, right? Yeah, I just needed to smash a little more. So maybe if it didn't work out very well, just smash it a little bit more. And here I have these red leaves, but I need to clean my smasher. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. All right, friends. So after you smash and you get all this really, really really cool pigment, then you're going to paint this stuff on your paper. So you can, if you don't have a paintbrush, you can use paper towels and all kinds of stuff like that. But I'm going to use a paintbrush. So I have this red pigment here from the berries, and I'm going to add it to my paper. Isn't that super cool? So you just made your own paint, which is awesome. So even if I have paint, so lots of times I will still do this instead, because I think it's a whole lot more fun. And this here, this green color that I have, it's from the green berries. And these berries had seeds in them, so that's what those little black things are. So I'm going to go in, and green pigment sometimes doesn't work as well. So, see, it's a little bit hard to see, but that's okay, right? And the more water you add to things, the more diluted it's going to be, and the less strong the color is going to be, right? So see how I added water there and it kind of made it disappear a little bit more? That's because I added more water to it. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to use this other color dirt. So what I want you to do is I want you to fill up your entire paper with this really cool pigment, okay? After you fill up your entire paper with this really cool pigment, you need to let it sit and dry, because tomorrow we are going to create a really cool art piece with this, okay? Which I'm really, really excited about. So I cannot wait to see how yours ends up looking. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'll show you what mine looks like at the end, okay? Thanks, guys. All right, friends, I'm also going to show you a little trick, okay? So I found that if I add some water to my paper and I want some green, if I take a leaf and I kind of fold it and then I rub it over the top of where I put that water, the pigment kind of comes off a little bit better than if I dilute it the other way, okay? So, if you want to try that, you are, oops, the camera's not focused. Let's try again. Okay, there we go. So if I add water to my paper, and then I take a leaf, I kind of fold it, and then I kind of rub it where I put the water, it leaves the pigment a little bit better than if I put it in my palette. See? So I cannot wait to see what you all have created. Mine is almost finished, and remember, we are going to make something else with this paper tomorrow. So make sure you put it somewhere in the sun and let it dry, okay? All right, friends, I cannot wait to see what you make tomorrow. Bye, guys.